5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down the front stretch heading into turn 1. 926 and 13 battling down the back stretch. Thomas looking for a bump and run. Number 13 not going to sit back. Thomas hanging on with 3 wheels. Here come your leaders catching up to the back of the pack as they all head into turn 1. Bump and runs happening. Bump and runs happening. Track. We're on our final lap of the stock race. 926 running a good run. Coming around, Sean Thomas taking the win in the 926. Another repeat win here today.